Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Peacock TV on Spectrum TV. First, turn on your TV and Spectrum cable box. Using your remote, open the Peacock TV app from your app menu. When Peacock opens, sign up. A screen will with an activation code will appear. Leave the screen open. On your phone, tablet or computer, open a web browser. Go to the peacocktv.com. Activate. Sign in to your Peacock account if asked. Type in the code shows on your TV screen. Then select continue or activate. After entering the code, your TV screen will refresh automatically. Peacock will now open and you can start watching. Sign in using the email link to your Spectrum account. If promoted, choose link provided or sign up with Spectrum. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.